If you want to know how our ancestors cooked ORA soup in those days, oh yeah, come into the time machine, let's go. I'll be using cocoyam, akwu, that's palm fruits, ORA or OHA, uziza leaves, dry fish and stockfish, yellow habanero pepper, that's osensoka, ogiri Igbo. If you don't have ogiri Igbo, did you miss my ogiri Igbo video? Did you? I have a video for that. Or you can add more cubes, crayfish and beef. To save lots of time, I'll be using 3 burners. I have akwu over here, cocoyam and beef over here. I washed the akwu very well before putting it in the pot. Take a close look at the cocoyam. This is the species of cocoyam that is used to cook ORA soup and bitter leaf soup. I cook the stockfish and beef in the same pot because they have the same cooking times. Even though our ancestors did not use seasoning cubes, I like using Knorr cubes to season my meat. Add water and start cooking. Pour water to cover the dry fish and set it aside to soak. This is how I pick and cut my OHA. Yes, with my fingertips. OHA is a very tender vegetable and knife marks can make them dark. I slice the uziza leaves with a knife though. The palm fruit is done when you can easily peel off the flesh by rubbing with your fingers. Pound that in a mortar. Someone told me in the OFAKU video that he or she uses a wine bottle and a pot to pound it. Genius! So our grandmas and great-grandmas used akwu instead of palm oil during their time. A lot of people say that even today, bitter leaf soup and ORA soup can only be prepared with akwu. It's not true. You can use palm oil. For me, the only difference is that palm fruit concentrate integrates better into the soup, giving it an overall even color. With palm oil, you run the risk of excess palm oil floating on the soup when you add too much. But once you master the quantity of palm oil to add to your soups, there's no difference in looks. If you have the time and means to prepare these soups using akwu, please do so. If not, no wahala. Any difference in taste, the jury is still out on that one. As far as I'm concerned, there's no difference in taste. Is there any difference in taste for you? Let me know in the comments. When the meat and stockfish are cooked, remove the stockfish and set aside. The cocoyam is done when it's soft to touch. Pound till smooth. Debone the stockfish and break into pieces. Then clean the soaked dry fish and the bone. Remember when I prepared ofe akwu, I recommended that you separate the palm nuts from the pulp to help you get the thickest concentrate for the ofe akwu. In this case, it is not necessary. You don't need the concentrate to have a thick consistency. Ora soup comes with a thickener, cocoyam, which will do the job of thickening the soup for us. So no need to separate them. I go straight to rinsing with as hot water as my hands can handle. When done, spread out the nuts to dry, and later you can crack them and eat the kernels with various foods. Please comment below and tell me what you like eating with akụ, or what you like eating akụ with. Everything is ready. Let's cook the soup. Slowly decant the palm fruit concentrate into the pot containing the meat, making sure you don't add those sediments you see at the bottom. Add the dry fish, the crayfish, the yellow habanero pepper, the stockfish, and click the like button. Have you liked this video yet? No reminder, no like, abi? Chineke mo, what kind of family members do I have? When it boils, add the ogiri igbo. And add the cocoyam in small scoops. I think that's enough. I'll keep the remainder in the freezer. Ora soup should be light, not bodo bodo with too much cocoyam. Mbao. Cover and cook till all the cocoyam dissolves. Then add the ORA and the OHA. Cover, and once it boils, stir and add salt if necessary. And it's done! Serve with any Nigerian swallow, including low-carb vegetable fufu meals. Bye-bye! See you soon!